Hey, today I want to show you how to put a t-shirt design or your logo or anything you want on a t-shirt. I found this image on Unsplash, a great free site for free images. And the logo I want to use for this is my logo I created in Illustrator. Alright, so we start off with the picture here. What I'm going to do is I want to actually put a desaturation filter on this to make it black and white, and then I can go File, Save As, and I'm just going to put this on my computer for right now, and I will call this one Displacement Map Shirt. And OK. Then once I have that done, I don't need this layer anymore, and I'm going to save this again. File, Save As, wherever you want to save it on this one, and I'm just going to call this one Logo Shirt, because I want this to be a separate file from my displacement map. Alright, so here this is. I can Control V to paste my logo that I copied from Illustrator. I'm going to bring it in as a smart object. Alright, and then place the shirt, or place the logo, wherever you want on the shirt. Alright, if you need to Control T to transform it to give it a little bit of an angle on there, you sure can. Kind of make sure it's centered, or however you want the shirt to be. Then we just go up here to Filter and Distort and Displace. 10 to 10 is fine, and Stretch to Fit and Repeat Edge Pixels is fine, and then I will click OK, and it's going to ask me where or what I want to bring in, and it's that displacement map for the shirt that I created. And you can see we now have some wrinkles in the logo, and if we go to our blending styles and we find linear burn, you can play around with any of them, but on this particular one, linear burn looks really good. And if you want to, you can always bring down the opacity just a little if you need to. Kind of up to you, whatever you want to use for that. There you have it. A simple way to put your logo on a t-shirt. Thanks for watching.